ሜላት የሚሉት ብዙ ነገር እየተረጎመች ውሸት ታወራለች። በጣም እሷ ነች ቢያበላሽቻት። አይ ቲንክ ሮንግ ኢንተርፕሬተር ቀጥራለች ይዛለች እና ያላለችውን እየቀጠለች ታወራለች እና ያ ስለምግቡ ዴዚ ቅድም ስትጠይቃት I have not ፍሪጁ ሙሉ ነው 24/7 she eats a good meal ምናምን እያልኩ ስል አንተ እና ምግብ የለም ምናምን ስትላት I have not denied that አለች። አየህ እሱን አላለችም። that's clear ያደርጋውን ምግብ ችግር የለም ማለት ነው።
You don't get food problem, right?
ሰውነቷንም ተመልከት።
You can tell about her body too, of course. የተራበች ልጅ አትመስልም።
She goes to gym every day to lose, even to watch her diet. She perfect. Daisy has no issue. I think, believe me, go get married ብላት እሱን ነው መሰለኝ ፍሪደም ፈልገው የምትለው።
I see. Okay. that part እሱን እናጥራው።
I think እሱ ነው
ምን እናደርግ መሰለሽ? ቆይ ቲና I know የእናት ፍራስትሬሽን አሁን አንደርስታንድ አድርጌያለሁ። መጀመሪያ ሚስ አንደርስቱድ ተደራርገናል። ግን አሁን ባለው ነገር ምነግርሽ ምንድን ነው አሁን ምን ማድረግ ይቻላል?
እሷ
ያንቺ እንደ እናት ከአንቺ ነው መስማት የምፈልገውና ያንቺን ነገር ሰምቼ ሌላ ነገር ማድረግ አለ።
እሺ እሱን ከመመለሴ በፊት 30 ሰከንድ ስለ ትምህርቷ እና ኢትዮጵያ ስንሄድ እኔ I didn't know she wanted to go so bad so I left with her and then እዛ ስንደርስ I didn't know already famous ሆናለች።
Okay.
እና our plan was እዛ ስንደርስ ሙዚቃ ቀርጸን 3 ዘፈን ቀርጸን ተመልሰን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበረ US ውስጥ US ፕላናችን እሱ that was the plan. Daisy, the reason I'm speaking English is for you. most hopefully ብዙዎቻችሁ የምትመለከቱ 23000 ሰዎች I hope
ለኛ ነገሪንና ከዛ እኔ ነግራታለሁ don't worry. ለሌሎች
እና so planaችን there was only record song and they come back here because I knew already the US ውስጥ famous ሆናለች እና በቃ ብዙ ኢትዮጵያን ኮሚኒቲ ሲጠይቀኝ ስለነበር ሄደን ዘፈን ቀርተን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበር ፕላን። እዛ ስንደርስ unexpected እንትን ደረሰኝ። ኤርፖርት ሁሉ ምድረ ማን እንደነገራቸው አይደል ምድረ ካሜራ ፓፓራሲው ምኑ እየተከተሉን በቃ እንትኑ በዛ እና የኛን እንትን ብዙ ሰው ደግሞ ኮንታክት እያደረገኝ አድቨርታይዝመንት ምናምን ሲሉ እኔ ደግሞ ኦኬ ሌትስ ሆልድ ኦን ዘ ሙዚቃውን ሆልድ እናድርገውና ሞር አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ እንትን ትሁን ፖፑላር ከሆነች ይጠቅመናል ብዬ እሱ ላይ አተኮርን እና a few months wasted እና Daisy 3 months የተባለው it turned out to be like by the time we started recording the music it was like 6 months passed by already 6 ወር አልፏል መዘፈኑ ስንጀምር እና እሷ by that time she's already fed up with everything to famous ነቱን አሰለቻት ብትሄድ ሁሉም ሰው አይወዳትም አንዳንድ ሰው ይሳደባል አንዳንድ ደግሞ ከሷ ጋር ፎቶ ለመንሳት ወንበር ይወረውርባታል ይመታታል መኪና ሁሉ አልፈው ሄደው ተመልሳ መታ የገጨቻት ሴትዮዋለች እና በጣም ዴዚ ተናዳ እንክሰስ ምናምን ነው ከዚያ ሀገር ማንን ከሰሰው ልንረዳ መተን እንደገና እንዴት doesn't make sense ላታል እንደዚህ 2-3 times በየሬስቶራንት ሁሉ ሊመርዛት ብዙ ጊዜ ብርጭቆ ውስጥ ጠርሙስ ከተይ ሰጣታል ምናምን እና she said mom what are you waiting for they trying to poison me wrong people ምናምን ስትል okay ካም በኋላ ጥሩ ቦታ እየሄድን እንበላለን እና ምናምንበት እሱ ነው እኔ ራሴ I'm learning to be famous I didn't know what to do እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ውስጥ ገብቻ አላውቅም
ትክክል
እንደውም thanks to መንሱር እሱ ብዙ ነገር እነሱ አንዳንድ ታዋቂ ሰዎች ረድተውን እነሞን ቤታቸው ያበሰሉ የጠሩ እንደሱ ነው ሞር ኢንጆይ ያደረገች ሴፍ የሆነችው እና ከዛ last minute ላይ I told her be patient we're gonna go but የመጣንበት አላማ ዘፈኑን መቅረጽ ነው
እሱን እኮ ብያለሁ
ያ ኦሮምኛው አለቀ አማርኛው እና ትግሬኛውን እየሰራን እኔ ፕሮዲዩሰሮች ምኖች እየተነጋገርን ሳለን አንድ ቀን መለሳለኝ she's gone and then she was gone like that
okay mom now what everybody wants is peace. I want peace, right? You want it too?
Don't worry, we will be fine, you know.
So
Tina, what can we do? What is the solution? Let me ask you, mom. Wait, Daisy. ምንድነው solution የምትይው?
Daisy, I know you want to be married. I think is that what it is? I want clear argument.
I'm 20 years old.
Okay, then what do you want from me? You tell me. And me, I think.
I want. You see, your mom is asking, Daisy. Your mom is asking.
Okay, number one.
Tell me what you want.
Number one, like I want him to apologize. He will apologize to you. Can he, if I bring him up, can he apologize to you?
He apologized many times, and the next day, yeah,
Mom,
I don't know. Yes, apologize doesn't mean anything.
Mom, God forgives everybody, right?
It's not about that, but my thing is, Daisy, let me tell you something. No, it doesn't matter. He should not disrespect you, Mom.
Okay, Ishi, we understand that. We've said that this entire life.
Okay, let me ask you. Did he say it one time or he did it again and again? Tell me.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happens between her and him. I know she says things to him. He says things to her. She says, oh, he did this with his sister. He says this to her. This. It's both of them. It's both of them. Listen, Mom, listen. Can I talk, please, Mom? Please.
Okay, let her talk, Tina, for 1 minute, please.
It's like, I know you're my mom. You should never be disrespected by anyone.
Thank you.
For social media, I don't know these people. I don't know who says things to you. That's not my problem. I can't control people say things to me, but I know it's not your fault. But I'm saying, yes, I know you guys said like things to each other. You said this, you reported him to this, he did this to you. Both of you guys are like this. So I want him to apologize to you. So I'm asking you, can he come up and apologize to you?
Is this a friendship or a marriage plan?
Does that matter?
No, it does matter. If he's gonna be
as a mother, it matters, Daisy. It does matter. That's your mother. It matters to her.
Yeah, if it is just friendship, immediate friendship, go ahead.
Absolutely, she need to know.
Yeah, if it is a marriage, it's not only me. People want to know.
Nobody's married. Mom, I'm not married.
As a mother.
I'm not married. I'm not married. I don't know why we're talking about marriage. I'm not married.
You're on that road, and I want you to focus on getting to know a better person, or take time to look. You saw him on the screen. There are many TikTokers you saw, and when we went.
Okay, why don't you like him again? Sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Like before, before the everything that happened. Why didn't you like him? Yeah, please, Milad, please don't say anything to my mom from now on.
Can you tell Mela to stop writing?
It's Mela.
ምንድን ነው በዚህ ደረጃ ያዙኝ ልቀቁኝ የምትይው ሜላት? That's not right. በልጅ መካከልማ መግባት የለብሽም ሜላት። እንዴ ይደብራል እኮ የምትጽፊውን ነገር ሺህ ጊዜ ላልፍሽ ሞከርኩ። በእናትና በልጅ መካከል አንቺ ምን ይመለከትሻል? ለመስደብ ብዙ ነገር የምታደርጊው ኧረ አይነፋም። ኖ ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል ሞዴሬተር ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል። ግን ሜላት በዚህ ነገር መግባት የለብሽም። የሚመለከት እናትና ናቸው። እናትና ልጅ ይነጋገር። አንቺ ገብተሽ ከነሱ በላይ አውቃለሁ ማለት that's not right.
የዴዚን ባንክ አካውንት ወደዛ አዙራለች እሷ ሴትዮ። በእሱን ተበሳጭታ ነው ጉዳት አውቆባት ነው ማለት ነው። Daisy, okay, promise me if you want me to accept him, don't travel sometime soon. You planning to go, that I have a problem with that.